Good day, MarineMax charter people. This is Captain Dave on the Aquila 44, and here we're in the starboard engine room, and we're going to be going through cleaning out our generator strainers. Located right here. So here, starting at the ball valve, I'm going to close the ball valve for our generator. Now, I'm going to follow the hose to the strainer for our generator basket, taking the wrench provided with the small toolkit on board. We'll come down and loosen the top cap of the generator strainer. Now by hand I can open up, remove the basket, which we have plenty of debris. Now I can empty all of our seagrass out of our strainer. Sometimes you may need to put your finger in, check for any other clogs. At this point, I will put my strainer basket back in. I will slowly open my ball valve to let a little water come through to confirm that my clog is free. Putting my cap back in place by hand. Following up with the wrench, nice, snug fit. Opening my ball valve up all the way. This is cleaning out the ball valve and strainer basket on a generator of Aquila 44.